Hello Jutta family, we are in Tinker, Arusha, Bella, Oddo, Little Ginger and Angel's enclosure. I have just given them their breakfast, pâté for everyone, which they're quite enjoying. Yesterday, when I was checking their enclosure, and I usually check all the beds, and I try to take the dust out of the blankets and the beds, as I do every day, I discovered little kittens. Newborn. 3 kittens. So we were very surprised because all our females are supposed to be spayed. So we looked to see who was gonna go see the babies, and it turns out that Mr. Oddo, which we thought was a boy, is actually a girl. So Oddo is not a boy. Oddo is a girl, and she just had 3 babies, and the father is Little Ginger, because he is the only one who is a male that is not neutered. Tinker was neutered. So, yeah, what a surprise, what a shock. And we have 3 new cats now, 3 kittens. So we've put this carrier down, and I put a bed in there where she put her babies, and they seem to be doing okay. Actually, 2 days ago there were only 2 kittens, and yesterday I found a 3rd one. So she gave birth to a 3rd one 24 hours later. Here are the babies. One is totally white. Looks like almost albino. Not sure yet because it's too early to tell. And the 2 others are mixed of colors. And that's Oddo. Oddo's a girl. Not sure if we need to change her name, or she's just gonna have a boy name, which is okay. Hi Oddo. Yeah. So yes. Just wanted to let you know about our big news. Yeah. But, she's doing well. She's taking care of her babies. Babies are doing well. Everyone is accepting the babies. There hasn't been any issues. So, all good. Alright. Bye-bye for now. Say bye-bye, Angel. Bye, Angel. Bye.